Hi, this is Arlene. So I'm on my way back from my walk in the river basin. but so anyways, I haven't posted yet, but I already did a video while I was there. And when I was walking, I had I was getting hit with electr-magnetic microwave, electric microwave, and radio microwave. So anyways, I just want to read these plates. 7NTM116. I think it's a Honda Sentra. So anyways, this is the liquor store right here that everyone comes to. A lot of times there's cars that hang out here, like I call them perps, but there's only one here tonight and there's no one following me. So anyways, I wanted to talk about is that, I got three things. So I got the electronic magnetic frequency, I got the electric frequency, and then I got the radio microwave all at one time tonight. So, because I'm in the dark and Periscope doesn't have lights, I made a video, but I couldn't really post it on YouTube. It would take forever. So I posted it on Twitter. So anyways, I got all three frequencies. So I noticed that I've had more of an increase with radio microwave, like a lot. And so anyways, today and yesterday, after getting a lot of radio microwave, I wasn't able to hold my food down. This guy or girl, whatever it is, I don't know why it's a Mustang thing when I get followed. But anyways, I couldn't keep my food down. I mean, I got sick after, like vomit sick. So I don't know if it's because of the radio microwave or if it is from something, if it's somebody messing with my food. My food's not old. I eat my food within 2 days. After that, it goes in the trash. But I have learned when I go shopping to purchase just like enough for so many days and stuff like that, so nothing goes bad. I don't want to waste food either. That's my 7-Eleven. They have good coffee and donuts. So anyways, so I'm not sure about that, if I'm like getting that or not, but that's what happened for the past 2 days in a row. So I'm not really sure if that was what happened. So anyways, I guess there's people lighting fireworks over there. So anyways, I just wanted to talk about that real quick. So yeah, if you have any suggestions or ideas, feel free to leave a comment. But anyways, so I'm walking on the way home, and I'm sure you've heard like a lot of cars going by. They're mostly Mustangs and Corvettes and Plymouth Dusters. Those are the three cars that will come by like this when I'm talking. And oh, there goes the sheriff's car. Sometimes a sheriff car will be in a group, or I don't know if it's just traffic. So I really shouldn't say anything. I'll strike that one. But anyways, So I find it interesting to get the three frequencies all together. It's like I'm on some kind of package deal. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about that real quick. And I'm going to sign off and switch to Periscope. Bye.